A ball of mass 2 kilograms is thrown vertically upward from the top of a building. The ball's velocity, v, is given as a function of time t by the equation v is equal to r minus st, where r is equal to 5 meters per second and s is equal to 10 meters per second squared. The positive direction is upwards. What is the ball's acceleration at time t equals 1 second?
You may pause the video now and attempt an answer of your own.
Now, there are several ways to consider this. You must remember, for example, that acceleration, since it is a function of time, is equal to the derivative of the velocity relative to time. That is to say, that we need to derive the linear function r minus st. Since r and s are constants, this derivative is just negative s. This means the acceleration is independent of time. So what you can say is the acceleration at any time is equal to the acceleration at 1 second, which is negative 10 meters per second squared. Therefore, the answer is option A. Thank you for watching. See you next time.